just seem a little surprised.
Of course I'm surprised. We're supposed to be on a break, right?
So, does that mean I'm not supposed to come here?
It just means you can't turn up unannounced, Aaron.
Well, sorry. I didn't know that I had to make an announcement.
You said that we needed a break, right? You don't call, I don't hear from you, nothing at all. So you don't expect me to be surprised?
Angie,
Yes, Aaron.
you can use the bathroom.
Go on.
Whoa!
It's what?
What's the ceiling design like this before?
Is that about a week ago the workman come in and do it? You expect to see a man in here?
Why you say that?
The way how you scrutinize the place is like a crime scene.
Angie, the energy just seem a little different. You did ask me this, so I'm ask you back. You seen somebody?
Would you blame me? We were going through a little difficulty in our relationship. The first thing you decided to do was take a break from the relationship. Not fight for it, but run from it. Then after not hearing from you in weeks, you send me a message that was obviously not meant for me, but for another woman. Then you deleted it. Yes, Aaron. I did see it. I don't know who she is. I'm not going to violate your privacy. Because you know me can find out anything I want within a heartbeat, right? So if I have a man in my life, it's well within my rights to do that. But I know that I'm depend. So no, sir. I'm not seeing anybody else.
Well, Angie, it seems as if you're not in the mood or the frame of mind to speak to me now.
Aaron, give me a couple of days. No, it's just not a good time.
Okay, Miss Brissett.
Oh, Mr. Sanjus. Whosoever the young lady is, get rid of her before we talk. Because you don't want me to dig to find out who she is. Because I'm not going to talk to you. I'm going to be paging her.
Angie, I see you.
My bathroom hot.